In this video, I show you how to connect your Fire Stick to Wi-Fi without a remote. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. If you're in the situation where you don't have access to your usual Wi-Fi network, and you also don't have the remote as well for your Fire Stick TV, and you're getting this problem here, and of course you can't get your network settings, then I've got a fix. There are a few things you're going to need, and that is access to 2 mobile devices. So if you've got one of your own, maybe you could borrow somebody else's. And the other thing you need to know is the SSID and the password of the network that you usually go and connect your Fire Stick TV to. Because then essentially what we're going to do is use one of our mobile devices. So I've got one here, and what I'm going to do is go and create a hotspot on my phone with the exact same name and password as my usual Wi-Fi network would be at home, and then the Fire Stick TV will then go and connect to this device here, and then what I can do is use the other device, so my other iPhone, to go and connect to this phone here. So this is basically a new Wi-Fi network, and then what I can do is go and use the Amazon Fire TV app to go and control my Amazon Fire TV device itself. But the thing is, they both need to be on the same device, which is why we're both connecting to this hotspot here. So I hope that does make sense. If it doesn't, don't worry, keep watching and it should become clear. The first thing we need to do is completely power off the Fire Stick. To do that, just unplug it from the USB or from the wall, depending. The Fire Stick is now completely turned off. So now come onto your phone, whether it be an Android or iOS device like so. And what we need to do is go name the personal hotspot or the Wi-Fi network we're creating on our phone as the same as it usually is for your Fire Stick to go and connect to. So for example, if you have like a TP-Link router at home, you need that exact SSID. So maybe you've got a screenshot of it, or you can view it in your past connections. I know mine. So go and open up your settings. If you're using an Android, I'm pretty sure you can go and change your personal hotspot name in the personal hotspot page. But to go and change the personal hotspot name on an iPhone, you need to go and change the whole name of your iPhone. To do that, go to General, and then what you need to do is go and tap on About, and then at the top of the About section, as you can see, we've got the option for name, which you need to go and click on. And so if you're using an iPhone, you now need to go and enter in the SSID of your usual home network as the name of your iPhone. I've now gone and done that, so I'm then going to go and press Done at the bottom like so, and go and save it. And so the next thing we now need to do is go and set the password to be exactly the same as our normal home network as well, to be for the personal hotspot. So go to personal hotspot like so, and then what we can do is go and set the Wi-Fi password to be exactly the same. So I'm going to go and type mine in now. So it needs to be exactly the same as your home Wi-Fi network password as well. And so now my iPhone's personal hotspot has got the exact same name and password as my usual home network, which my Fire Stick connects to. So as you can see, it now says allow others to join, so make sure that setting is on as well. And so if you're using an Android, just make sure that it's discoverable. And now we need to go and turn our Fire Stick TV back on. And here we are, my Fire TV is now launching, as you can see. And hopefully in a moment, it's then going to go and join to my personal hotspot on my phone. Just had this green icon in the top left of my phone. This icon here, this basically means it's now connected to my phone. So now what I need to do is go onto my other iPhone and then also go and connect to this personal hotspot here, and then we can go and use the Amazon Fire TV app to go and do it. So we put this phone down and go and get... Now here we are on my other iPhone, and so what we need to do is make sure we're on the same personal hotspot on both our Fire TV and our iPhone. As you can see, I am. That's the same Wi-Fi name. And so what you now need to do is open up your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what type of phone you have, and you need to go and search for the Amazon Fire TV app. And this is the one here. It's called Amazon Fire TV. So go and open it up. It's by Amazon themselves, and go and download it just like so. It's now finished downloading, so I'm going to go and tap on open just like so. Then give it a moment, and you need to go and give it quite a few permissions just so it can actually go and find your Fire TV, and then click allow and allow again. Notifications is up to you, but then as you can see, I've then got the option for connect to remote. You should then have the option to connect to remote, so tap there. If you can't go and see the 4-digit code, then all you need to do is just go and restart your Fire TV by unplugging it via the USB cable or the wall, and it will then get rid of this. After you've restarted your Fire TV, just go and press cancel like so, and wait a moment just so it properly loads. Then you should go and get the remote app connection request before you go and get the pop-up saying your remote isn't connected. So type it in just like so, and then it will say verifying PIN, and here we are. Now successfully connected. As you can see, I can control it with my phone. If you get any pop-up about your remote not being connected, just press the OK button in the middle. Now that you can go and control your Fire Stick TV, what you can do is go to your settings and then change it to the Wi-Fi network you would like, because then you can go and access that Wi-Fi network on your phone as well, and you won't need to use your personal hotspot anymore.